everybody.
Hello.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday. We're back.
It's another week.
It's another Friday.
Another gluten-free recipe.
Another gluten-free recipe with TJ and Christina.
Every week.
Every week.
You guys missed us because we missed you.
Yeah.
So today we're making a super fun recipe. Again, something that we saw on TikTok. We're obsessed with TikTok. It's our favorite. Next to Facebook, of course. But this is from a creator called Logan. And
I don't know his specific app, but his name is Logan.
You'll
know who we're talking about.
If you've seen him, he goes, what's your impersonation?
What?
What's your impersonation of him?
Oh, I don't even remember.
Sometimes
you just need to eat a whole cucumber. Right.
Yeah. Sometimes you just need to eat a whole cucumber.
Yeah.
So he uses the mandoline, he puts it in a jar, and then he adds his toppings and stuff, and he shakes it. And every single one of his recipes looks so good. He has like a lox bagel one, and then this one is his sushi one. It's inspired by him. So thank you, Logan, for the ideas.
Thank you.
And taking over the internet this week.
Literally, that's all I've seen is cucumber salad videos. Not even just from him, like literally everyone. I made a cucumber salad on Sunday. So safe to say, it's all over the place.
Yeah,
so you've probably seen it on Facebook, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and make it. So this is sushi cucumber salad. Christina's going to slice it, and I'll explain what we're gonna do for the other ingredients. So first we have some Kewpie mayo, just Japanese mayo. You can use regular if you don't have Kewpie mayo specifically. Then we have some furikake. So this is a blend of black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. What?
It's getting all over me.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on.
Don't wear white or long sleeves.
Oh my God,
we're learning our lesson
today. I don't wear sleeves.
So furikake, blend of black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. This one's pickled red shiso leaves. Yum. And some nori seaweed. So this one's from Eden. Then we have some Maricon vinegar. We're going to use the genuine brewed. So then we also have some tamari. You can also use gluten-free soy sauce. This one's from Sanjay, and it's the reduced sodium. So we love that. Then we have some fresh ginger, grated. Just a little bit. How much would you say? It's about
like a teaspoon.
Like a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. Whatever floats your bowl. And then we have some smoked salmon, and we just chopped it up into little bite-sized pieces. So that way when you shake it all up, you get a little bit of salmon in each bite. So overall,
we're going around.
I'll throw back in. Speaking of, I was gonna say this in my head. I just thought of baseball. We went to a baseball game yesterday.
We did.
We had so much fun. We got
going again next week.
Yeah, we got all the little treats. And we're gonna go again next week. Baseball. It's baseball summer. It is so fun.
It's baseball summer. Cucumber salads.
It's cucumber salad summer. Speaking of interesting things with cucumbers, I was trying to make the most out of my bag of chips. So I went up to the hot dog condiment station, and I put a little pickle in with my chips, and then I ate it. I wanted to maximize.
It's like a walking taco.
It's a walking taco,
but with chips.
Potato chips
with none of the same ingredients.
Yeah.
But the same concept.
I'm trying to get this made down. So in our cucumber salad here, we're gonna do 3 parts Kewpie mayo, 1 part vinegar, 1 part tamari. I don't know why I'm telling you brain.
Less sodium.
Yeah. So we're gonna do 3, 1, 1. We made it before, and it was just a little bit liquidy for our taste, but we want it to be more salad-esque or coleslaw-esque.
Yeah. Yeah, this is kind of like a coleslaw alternative-ish.
Yeah, my boyfriend does not like coleslaw. Learned that when he started making fun of me for ordering coleslaw. I was like, what do you mean?
I don't really like coleslaw either, to be honest with you. But
that's okay. No, it doesn't.
I wouldn't make fun of you, though.
That's okay.
My boyfriend loves coleslaw.
Boyfriend just loves
roles reverse.
Loves to make fun. Okay, so let me know that. More?
Okay.
More? Okay, let me know when.
I would do like a dash.
Maybe like a tablespoon?
Okay.
Oh, that wasn't. Okay.
I think that's good.
Okay, I'll trust it.
You know, add too much, a little bit too much last time.
We could always add more.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Also, yeah, it was liquidy last time, I feel.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So
I just get so excited.
Less liquid. Also, like the cucumbers have liquid.
I get so excited. That is true. They're mostly water, aren't they?
Mm.
Good for hydration. some chopsticks. Move these out of the way. Alright.
Oh wow.
I almost forgot the furikake. I was gonna say that's it, but no.
You can, he also adds wasabi, but
Ours expired.
yeah, ours was expired.
You know when you look through your fridge and you're like, how has this been in here? Expired 2 years ago. That was us.
Yeah, we have wasabi. Then we looked and it was expired in 2022.
Yeah. So don't
Didn't use it.
Don't do it. He added a ton of this.
Yeah, which I like furikake.
We're gonna add those too. All right. I feel like that's a good amount.
Let's go.
It's gonna be seasoned.
Okay. Now you just shake it up.
Yeah. Now that you do the honors, you did the fun part.
And then we can taste it and then adjust as
Just as needed. What he does though is he loads up. He loads up the. Oh, is it tight on the way?
Yeah, it's on the way.
He loads up. Oh, salmon. I think he smells the salmon. He wants a little bit of the smoked salmon. Logan loads it all the way up to the brim, and it's pretty much there's no room to shake it, but he does it somehow.
It smells less vinegary this time.
Okay, I think we master it. You can also let it sit, marinate a little bit. We're gonna just jump right in.
You go first.
Me? Okay. I'm gonna get a little salmon piece.
He's literally watching us. Do you want salmon?
He wants a little bite.
Salmon?
Okay, I'll wait for you.
I'm not gonna do salmon because my stomach's hurting. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna go with a very unseasoned piece of cucumber
It's okay
for my stomach's sake. Oh wow, she's sliding. She's literally sliding. Or better than last time.
Definitely creamier.
I think it's good.
I think adding more furikake is definitely the move.
And I feel like Kewpie mayo has to be the heaviest thing in it.
Yeah.
It needs to be mayo-y.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, it's good. Also, I feel like wasabi would add a little bit of that.
It would. It would add a little bit of spice. You could also maybe
Yeah.
add some like chili flakes or
Or
something.
chili oil, chili crisp oil. That would be delicious.
Chili crisp wet from Trader
Just
Joe's.
that. Just that.
Is that gluten free? I'll have to look.
Well, no, we have like a chili oil in the fridge.
Oh, that's true. That is true.
I didn't think about that, but that would probably make it yummer.
Okay.
Delish.
You could. This is like a perfect side. Great for sushi night.
Yeah, honestly, just putting it over rice even would be good because you got the salmon in it, so you got your proteins. Yeah, I don't know what's in Kewpie mayo besides mayo, but you got your mayo.
That is so good. I was saying to Christina earlier. For me, the most difficult part about making sushi is perfecting the rice. When my dad and I would make sushi growing up, he always had it perfect. He had the whole system with the water, and he'd wet his hands, and then he'd roll it out on the nori.
Do you use a rice cooker?
We didn't have a rice cooker actually. We just use a pot. But now I do have a rice cooker. Now I live on my own.
It makes it so much easier, so you don't get soggy.
It does. But I saw this hack about cooling it on a pan.
Cooling it on a pan?
Cooling it on a pan. Like you add your warm rice to a metal pan, and it's supposed to help cool it and bring it back to temperature.
Oh, I see. I was
But I always get so excited, and I just throw the rice on my roll, and then I have a soggy roll. So this takes that whole
because it's too hot?
Yes.
Oh,
I
I wasn't understanding.
I get hungry. I get patient hungry.
I wasn't understanding.
This is really good, though.
It's good.
I'm gonna go eat the rest of it off camera.
Yeah. I won't. I'm sorry. My tummy's hurting.
That's okay.
Guys, my tummy hurts. My tummy hurts. All right.
We're going to. I guess I will be taking this home.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys next week. We have a very exciting partner we're working with.
Yeah. Next week we have a partner. I won't be telling you who. It's not any of these. So there's your hint. That won't help you.
You're about to poke me in the eye with the chopstick. Ah!
You won't tell. It won't help. But
it's okay.
Just saying.
Keep your imaginations open, and we'll see you guys next week.
Goodbye.
Let us know if you try it. Bye.